Good morning, everybody. Welcome to class. We're going to go through a little warm-up together, a chair exercise together that will bring to standing, or of course you can stay seated and hold on to the chair. Yeah, so there's always modifications. So staying in the chair for the entire class doesn't make it easier or less challenging. Just make sure that you're taking care of yourself and you have fun and you have a nice time. Okay? The first track I'm going to play is very nice. It's called Cuth Biro, I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it, by Ayub Ogada. So it's a very beautiful piece of music. So we're going to take a really generous warm-up to that, trying to isolate different parts of the body and get nice and warm and ready for our day ahead. So here we go. Settling into the chair, moving the sit bones out from underneath you so you can really root down through those sit bones. Lovely. So make sure that all your pelvis is securely on the chair. Taking a deep breath in, turn the palms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, draw the breath into the center. Inhale. Exhale. Lovely relaxed breath deep into the belly, deep into the lungs. Exhale. Keeping the hands on the thighs. We're going to look from left to right. Center, right. Center, right. And then we're just going to lift the gaze and the head a little up and down. Taking the head back to center, allow the left ear to drop towards the right. Back to the center, right ear towards the right shoulder. I made a mistake. Rolling the shoulders. Just easy out any tension in the shoulder forwards. Good. Nice. We're going to roll a single left, single right, double left. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Last one. Good. Taking the whole left arm, lifting it up, out and around. Give it a little swish to the ceiling, bit of suspension. Bit of breath. Other arm. Float the arms up and down. Breathing into them. Exhale. Lead with the elbows and release. One more. Pulling. So I'm looking at some grass in the wall and I'm pulling it out. And then a little bit higher on the diagonal. To the front. Tug of war. From the ground. Not too much. Just at a slight angle. Good. Taking the hands then back onto the hips. Bring the chest. Side to side. And we're going to circle around. We're trying to make our shoulders radiate pelvis forward. Big tilt. Really nice tilt with the lower back and the spine. Good. And then side to side. That's what and circling the pelvis. So feeling for the sit bones and the pubic bone. Change direction. Ooh. Gold circles. Very nice. Take the hands onto the thighs and just rubbing down the legs. Only as far as you feel is good for you. Lift the arms and down. Keeping the eye line forwards. And open the arms all the way out. Beautiful. We're going to take a little moment now just to walk through some steps. Yeah? So, we're going to step to the left. So we go left and then we follow with the right. We step right and we follow with the left. We step left, we follow with the right, and we try and go another little bit around the chair. Yeah, so I'm being very extreme here, I'm nearly side on. You can make this tiny, da-da. Yeah, you don't have to swivel around in your chair, especially if your chair is a bit sticky. Yeah, so, yeah, there's a few options. You can hold on to the chair, you can do it very, very small, or you can move to the side of your chair if you like. I mean, we don't have loads of time to swing on the chair, but you can have a little experiment if you like. So, let's say we're holding onto the chair today, yeah? Drawing the shoulder blades down, lifting through our centers. So thinking about a little tone in the abdomen is good. So we step left, follow, right, follow, left, follow, left again. We go right, follow, left, follow, right, follow, right again. Yeah, da-da, 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 da-da. Then we walk into the center, just to get back. And then we're going to pull the grass out of the wall. So reach, and I really look for it. So I look and I pull, pull, pull. And I know it's tempting to move the legs all over the place. We will in a moment, but try to keep them steady so that our hip extensors, those muscles running up through the insides of the thighs, are working and the abdominals get to work. Yeah, so we reach and pull, working into our centers. And then we pull up at an angle. Nice, and then we're back down again. Yeah? And then the next little bit goes lifting the left knee first of all. Yeah? So we have a little look under the left knee. So we look, 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 look. And then we take a little twist, 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 twist. Yeah, then we release our left arm, left leg. So it goes around in a little bit of a half swim or rond de jambe with the leg and the arm. So it goes around, pull in, other side, pull in. So let's do all that again. Yeah, so we go to the left, to the right, whoops, to the left, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the right. We walk back to the center. Beautiful, and we reach, 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 reach up, really see what you're pulling, and down again. We have a few more of those, and then we have a look at the left inside of the knee, right inside of the knee, left and right. Then we lift the arms and we twist, 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 left rond de jambe, right rond de jambe. Then we go to the right, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the left, and so on. Yeah, so we won't go too fast. We'll pop on a little bit of music and then we'll bring that one into standing. So it seems fast, we don't have to go Well done. I know that you were totally fabulous there. So you can continue to work in the chair, or we're going to come up to a standing position. I'm going to move the chair out of my way. I'm going to keep it beside me so that I know I can put my hand there if ever I need. Yeah? So let's practice this one standing. So we're making this one into a standing sequence. And by one, I mean the chair exercise that we just did. Yeah? So we're going to add our shoulder as well as our step. So we step to the left and we roll our shoulders. So we step 1. Yeah? Then we step to the right, 2. Then we do 2 to the left. Left, left. We go right, left, right, right. Whoop, nearly fell over there. And then you take a little step in. So tiny little steps. Bring the arms all the way down. And then we have a look in the inside of the knee. Yeah, so same as before. Oh no, wait, it's not the same as before. We have to do our little pulls. This is like regular class, me making all these mistakes. So you reach. As you reach, you're going to step onto your left leg so you don't squeeze the thighs together as you did on the chair. So we just reach, reach, oh, reach, reach. We reach up. So at some moment we've got this opposing force. So reaching the opposite arm to leg. Not overstretching, but it's just that lovely reach. It's a half an X. Whew. Ah, like you're reaching for something at the top shelf. Yeah? So we've got those, and then we've got our little kind of sequence, if you like. We look to the inside of the left thigh. So we look to the inside, whoomph. And I'm doing a little bit of a scoop around and in. Yeah? So I have to reach down a little further with this side. So I look in, bring it back up the thigh, in, back up the thigh, in, back up the thigh, in, back up the thigh. Then we take our little twist as we did. Twist, 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 twist. And then we do our rond de jambe. Left and right. Yeah, and then we do that again. So we look right knee, left knee, right knee, left knee. Then we take our little twist. Twist, 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 twist. Rond de jambe, rond de jambe. Yeah, so enjoy. Let's pop the music on so we can have a little listen. Bird's Lament by Moondog, this one is. I think it's very beautiful. So you can just hear, feeling the little bit of a tempo going on, not too fast. Just have a little pace. Nice. We're going to step to the left. we keep working at that tempo with that Bird's Lament song, the one that we just did. And what you can do, if you like, is you can do it at double time and make it quite small. Yeah, so that could be something for you to work towards. Yeah, right, left, ta, 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 ta. So if you feel that you've practiced it during the week 2 or 3 times and it gets a little bit too easy for some of you, because I know it will, then you can challenge yourself by making the steps slightly smaller, but speeding them up a little bit. Yeah, especially the twist. Whew. You could do a nice big twist like that. Yeah. So enjoy your class. I hope you have a lovely day and hopefully see you soon.